How do you make a smart home even smarter? By adding the security and convenience of a Schlage Connect Smart Deadbolt. Featuring Z-Wave Plus technology, the Schlage Connect Smart Deadbolt offers extended range, lower battery consumption, and enhanced encryption for added security. Best of all, it connects easily with industry-leading smart home automation systems that can enable voice control through Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant devices. Available in a variety of styles and finishes, the Schlage Connect Smart Deadbolt is easy to install, features the highest residential security ratings, storage for up to 30 access codes, and a built-in alarm. Our lifetime guarantee gives you the peace of mind that comes with over 95 years of Schlage innovation. The Schlage Connect Smart Deadbolt with Z-Wave Plus enables a simple, secure connection to your smart home. Find the perfect combination of safety, simplicity, and style for your home on Amazon.
This is your old lock. Boring, old, dumb. Your kids are always losing their keys, and we sometimes have our hands full. This is Lockly, an award-winning smart lock packed with the latest features in convenience and security. It's simple to install and comes in different versions, whether it's a deadbolt or latch lock, and fits both right swing and left swing doors. When you close the door behind you, Lockly can be programmed to auto-lock itself. When you're out and about, simply send your cleaner a temporary e-key for access. It can be for a single access or access for an entire month. Push notifications tell you when your doors get opened and when they closed, so you know exactly when people come and go. Customize your dates and times, and send guests access codes to be used, even without them downloading an app. So like Shelby, your next-door neighbor can come borrow some milk. When uninvited strangers attempt to guess the code to your door, you're protected by PIN Genie, an advanced security software that shuffles the numbers displayed on the screen every time someone approaches the lock. While your access codes don't change, the location of the numbers do. And because there are 3 numbers in each button, it's nearly impossible to guess the correct code before the lock disables the screen due to incorrect guesses. When you have family or guests visiting, and there's no one home to let them in, simply unlock the door with our app from anywhere in the world. We're all about convenience, so we have an advanced fingerprint sensor that recognizes up to 99 fingerprints and grants access within seconds. From securing families, rentals, and businesses, Lockly comes in deadbolt, latch, and Mortise editions with various finishes. At Lockly, we're all about creating new memories so you can enjoy time with those that matter most. Alexa, lock my front door. Lockly, security redefined.
Whether you're moving, renovating, or want to expand your smart home, there's a smart lock that's right for you. Let's explore your options. Keypad locks replace your current lock without needing keys. To unlock your door, simply enter your unique entry code to get in. When you leave, lock the door behind you by simply tapping the keypad. It's easy to create multiple entry codes for your entire family that you can change anytime. Or set it to auto-lock, so you don't have to think about it. Want the same great features for doors without a deadbolt? Consider a lever lock. Lever locks are great for garage doors and home offices. If you want to keep your keys and still enjoy the benefits of a keypad, consider a keyed option. Most smart locks offer remote access, so your phone now becomes your key. These locks make it easy to remotely control your door using an app and your home Wi-Fi with a simple tap. Securely lock and unlock your door from anywhere. Set it to auto unlock. You never have to pull your phone out of your pocket. The door automatically unlocks and locks behind you using Bluetooth. Need to let someone in when you're not at home? Like when mom is early. Remotely let guests in, anywhere, anytime. Create secure, temporary keys right on the app. For friends, family, service people. Once a set time ends, keys are automatically deleted. Track your door's activity so you know who comes and goes. Set alerts that matter to you, like getting alerted when your son arrives home. For total peace of mind, some locks let you check if your door is both closed and locked. You can also use your voice assistants like Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri to check your door status and control your door. If you don't want to touch your front door's hardware or are renting, a retrofit lock is a perfect solution. These locks are easy to install and offer all the same remote access features. They attach to your existing lock on the inside of your door. Plus, keep your keys. Smart locks easily integrate into your smart home network, including wireless doorbell cams and home security systems. Most smart locks install in just minutes and only require a screwdriver. And don't forget about matching hardware. Complete your front door upgrade by purchasing matching handles to fit your door style.
Modern home security means flexibility. The ULTRALOQ U-Bolt Pro 6-in-1 Smart Deadbolt has features like 360-degree live fingerprint ID, phoneless entry for the ultimate flexibility, and keyless features like auto lock and auto unlock for when your hands are full. An anti-peep touchscreen that allows you to enter a security code embedded in a random group of numbers. The U-Bolt Pro is modern home security. A smart deadbolt built to make everyday life easier. Give visitors, like Airbnb guests, temporary access codes. And with the ULTRALOQ Bridge Wi-Fi adapter, you can control it all remotely on the app. Receive notifications when your child gets home from school. Distribute e-keys to your friends and family. And the app lets you manage and view logs of who has entered. The ULTRALOQ U-Bolt Pro is a simple and safe security solution. Your fingerprint is your key that cannot be copied, stolen, or forgotten. Dual data encryption with a coprocessor and dynamic key make every single data transfer secure. So you don't need to worry about someone hacking your door. And this peace of mind takes just minutes to install. With U-Bolt Pro, you will never get locked out or need a locksmith. Just use a backup key or an external battery if you missed the alerts. Bridget IFTTT integration syncs your U-Bolt Pro with the rest of your smart home. And use voice commands with your smart speaker.
Alexa, lock the front door.
U-Bolt Pro, the ultimate 6-in-1 smart deadbolt.
Introducing August Smart Lock Pro, our most advanced smart lock yet. With August, your phone is now your key, letting you securely unlock and lock your door using the August app. You can even set August to auto unlock, so August knows when you arrive using Bluetooth. You can set it to auto lock, so when you leave, August locks the door behind you, kind of like your own personal doorman. On your August app, you can create secure, temporary keys for family, friends, even service people. Grant access for a few weeks or a few hours. You decide. You never have to worry about copies of keys getting into the wrong hands again. August Smart Lock Pro comes with Connect Wi-Fi Bridge, giving you remote access to your front door. Like when your mom shows up 3 hours early. Simply use your August app to securely let people in from anywhere. Even if you're miles from home, you can remotely check and lock your door from your August app. And with our DoorSense technology, you can always make sure your door is not only locked, but closed. You can even ask Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant to securely lock and unlock your front door. August is also Apple HomeKit ready. And August is a certified Z-Wave Plus technology provider. August attaches to your existing deadbolt on the inside of your door. Installation takes minutes, and you can keep your existing lock and keys. Available on Android and iOS. August, the key to your smart home.
There are a couple different ways you can go. This is the least expensive option right here, and you would just replace your deadbolt hardware with this on the outside and this on the inside, and you can see that it's got a thumb latch to control the deadbolt on the inside, and on the outside it's just a simple keypad. You would pick a code, and you would punch it in. And for about 5 seconds, you would be able to control the deadbolt by turning this thumb latch right here to lock or unlock. And then after 5 seconds, it resets, and now this no longer does anything. So the door will be locked or unlocked. And of course, you can always use a key at any time to control this lock. So it comes in a couple different styles and color options. It doesn't have any internet access. As I said, it's the least expensive option. Can I put you in one of those?
I just think it looks too big on the front door.
So looks matter to you?
Yes.
All right, well, the second option is this right here, much smaller profile. Again, you replace your deadbolt hardware on the outside with this, on the inside with this. Now this one, it connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth, okay? So once you configure it, all you have to do when you come home is simply touch the lock, and it will sense that your phone is close. If it does, it will lock or unlock the door, just so long as it can see that smartphone. You can also send a key, basically an electronic invitation, to anyone else's smartphone, and it will activate their phone so they can come and go through the door as well, and then you can retract that at any time. So, how about this one?
I like the way it has Bluetooth connectivity. That'd be nice if it was something a little bit closer to what we already have.
Well, it is slightly different than what you've got on your door right there. All right, so we're to option 3, which is this guy right here. Now, I've tried to approximate the actual hardware that you've got on your doors. So you would be keeping your exterior handle and your deadbolt as well. On the inside, you would also keep your interior handle that operates the latch. You would simply replace the deadbolt thumb latch with this unit right here, and that unit is controlled by your smartphone. And you can simply just touch the application and it will lock or unlock the door. You can also set a geofence so that you don't even have to pull your smartphone out of your pocket. It would just simply sense that the phone was nearby and lock or unlock the door. You can send an electronic key, that invitation, to whoever you want, so their smartphone would have those capabilities. And you can also do some scheduling. So you could say, all right, that key for the dog walker only works on, say, Tuesdays and Thursdays between 10 and 12. And if you ever needed to operate this manually, you would just simply turn this cylinder and you can lock the door or unlock the door at any time. So how about this?
Wow, it looks great.
You like it?
Yeah.
All right. Well, the other thing you're going to like is how easy it is to install. Let's get one in your door. All right, Ryan, I just put a piece of tape on the outside half of your deadbolt, and I said you're going to like how easy this is to install because you're actually going to install it, and that is the only tool you need. So this deadbolt right here has 2 halves, an outside and an inside. The inside is held with these screws, and all you've got to do is just start by unscrewing that. All right, now just pull off that plate. I'll take that. Now you'll see that there's a back plate there. Just undo those 2 screws. All right, so with that plate off, you can now see the guts of the deadbolt. The deadbolt's actually right here, and you've got this little tail piece. And that's what actually operates the deadbolt when it turns back and forth. And we're going to keep that and attach to it. So the manufacturer sends you the lock with 3 different back plates. And you simply just match the back plate to the manufacturer of your existing lock. So we're going to use that one right there. And then we're just going to take the screws that you took out. I'm going to have you reinstall that plate right there. Got it? All right, so the new back plate is on, and here is your deadbolt device. You recognize this?
Yes.
All right, well, if you turn it around right here, you can see where the new back plate is going to connect. You put these tabs up right here, and the back plate is going to sit in there just like that. Now, we still need to make a connection to this deadbolt device and to the existing tailpiece right there. So the manufacturer sends 3 adapters, and again, you just pick the one that goes with your manufacturer. So grab the blue one, that works with ours, and then stick it in there. And now put your device on the new backplate, and when it sets down, take those little wings on the side, lock it in, get a good connection. All right, now we are ready to calibrate it for Bluetooth.
All right.
Once you've added the app to your phone, we can simply add the lock. It's going to want to scan for it, so keep your phone near the device. Once it finds it, okay, we're going to assign it to the front door. It's going to add it, and now it wants to calibrate it. It's working through the calibration to set this up on your phone. Now I want you to rotate to the locked position. Rotate it to the unlocked position. How about that?
Pretty cool.
Yeah, you're all set.
All
Now there's
right.
one more thing I want to show you. So Ryan, right now that lock is talking to your phone via Bluetooth, so you have to be in close proximity. But this is a bridge, and it will connect your lock to your existing Wi-Fi here in the house. Plug it into an outlet, configure it to your Wi-Fi, and now your phone will control that lock from anywhere, whether you're on the couch, at the office, 1,000 miles away. It'll also give you a log every time it's locked and unlocked, so you can tell when people are coming and going.
Pretty cool.
This also has that geofence option. So as you approach the house, you've got your phone in your pocket, right?
Yes.
Well, it senses that, and it automatically unlocks the door. Look at that, okay? And then as you were to leave the house, as you went away, it would automatically lock the door if you turn that function on, okay?
Sounds good.
So you've got your same hardware here on the outside, an electronic lock on the inside, and you don't have to fumble for any keys. You happy with that?
I am. Thanks a lot. I really